there, beautiful people. Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore all things beauty with an expert touch. Today, we're talking about a product that's designed to bring some serious relief to hair that's seen better days. If your hair's been through a lot lately, whether from color treatments, heat styling, or just general wear and tear, this one's for you. We're diving into Redken's Extreme Shampoo, specifically formulated to strengthen and repair damaged hair. Now, we've all heard the promises of shampoos that claim to work miracles, but the real question is, does Redken's Extreme Shampoo live up to the hype? Let's find out. This shampoo comes in a liquid form and targets damaged hair, whether it's from chemical treatments or daily stressors. It's infused with proteins, which are essential for strengthening and revitalizing the strands. The scent? A fresh citrus burst that's subtle but pleasant. Nothing overwhelming, just a light, clean aroma. When I first tried it, I noticed right away that it lathers up beautifully, creating a rich foam without being too harsh. The texture feels smooth, almost silky, which is always a good sign for a shampoo that's supposed to repair. After applying it to my hair, I let it sit for a couple of minutes to give it time to work its magic, and I could immediately feel the difference. My hair felt stronger, softer, and more hydrated than it had in weeks. Now, let's get into the real-world experience. It's been a few weeks of testing, and I use this shampoo consistently during my morning routine. I have fine, damaged hair that's prone to breakage, especially towards the ends. What I loved about the shampoo is how gentle it felt. It didn't strip my hair of its natural oils, which is key for dry, damaged strands. After rinsing, my hair felt nourished but not weighed down. It wasn't too heavy or greasy, and I could see the repair starting to take shape after just a few washes. But of course, no product is perfect. I did notice that if I used too much, my hair could feel a bit too coated, which is something to watch out for, especially if you tend to go heavy on shampoo. Another minor issue was that it's not as detangling as I'd like. If your hair tends to tangle a lot, you might need an extra conditioner or leave-in treatment for smoothness. When it comes to value for money, Redken does sit at a higher price point compared to drugstore brands. But if you're dealing with serious hair damage and looking for something more than just a surface-level fix, this is worth considering. The protein infusion is a key factor here, as it helps rebuild the hair from the inside out, which is something cheaper shampoos often miss. So is this product worth it? If you're dealing with seriously damaged hair and need a shampoo that gets to work on repairing and strengthening, Redken Extreme Shampoo is a solid choice. It won't work overnight, but with consistent use, I definitely saw noticeable improvements in the health of my hair. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used this shampoo, drop a comment below and let us know how it worked for you. And as always, the link to purchase is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.